Unpack and let the bumper sit in the sun, or use a heat gun so it returns to its proper shape. Small scuffs will be covered by paint, so don't worry. Work in a clean, dust-free, well-ventilated area, ideally 60 to 77 degrees. Place it on a table or boxes so it's off the ground. Lightly scuff the prime surface with a fine Scotch-Brite pad until it looks evenly matte. Wipe it down with a degreaser or soapy water and let it dry completely. Don't touch it with bare hands afterward to keep it clean. Shake the spray paint can for 2 or 3 minutes and test the spray on cardboard fur. Hold the can 8 to 12 inches away and apply thin, even overlapping strokes. Use 2 or 3 light coats, waiting 5 to 10 minutes before the next. Pay extra attention to hard-to-reach areas like bends and corners. Avoid drips. If you get a run, wait until it dries, gently scuff and respray. After the final color coat, let it dry, usually about 40 minutes, sometimes longer. Shake and activate the clear coat can as directed. Spray it just like the color, 8 to 12 inches away in even strokes. Start with a light tack coat, then apply 2-3 fuller coats with 5 to 10 minutes between them. Let the bumper sit in a dust-free area. Initial drying takes about 60-90 minutes, but full curing can take 24 hours or more. Avoid touching it for at least a full day, preferably longer, to let the paint and clear coat fully harden. Do not touch the surface during this time. After several days if needed, lightly wet sand with polish it for a showroom finish. By following these steps, keeping it clean, using thin coats, and waiting the proper drying times, you'll get a professional-looking, durable finish and save money by doing it yourself. Thank you for choosing the Fit Parts, and congratulations. You've created something to be proud of. Well done.